Now, the thing for us to consider as content creators, as subject matter experts, as leaders, are we asking ourselves questions to our team members, to our partners? Are we moving from complexity to simplicity and are creating video systems and not just videos? Something for all of us to consider. And the vision for Pictory to help you, to partner with you in this journey, is that video system thing that I talked about. I would like to close with that. You'll be able to create videos at scale. And my favorite thing, repurposing the content. Please don't forget that. Don't get overwhelmed by the goals of creating new content. You already have such powerful content lying inside your organization. Bring that into a tool like us or any other AI that you would love to work with, repurpose that into a video, and then create it at scale so that you have a personalized video for every customer, every employee. Just let not be a video which is just playing. Let people interact with it. Let people click a button. Let people take a quiz. That's what we are doing, and we have launched new product around this. If any of you have our Pictory customers here are not aware of it, please reach out to us. We would love to show you how quizzes, chapters can be automatically added. You can download it as a SCORM file, take it to your LMS platforms, and analytics is coming very soon. I think in another couple of weeks that will be coming. So that's talking about the distribution and performance, and we are on this bold vision of taking this performance data back into the video creation workflow as a closed loop in order to empower you as a content creator to create a better video every time you come back to Pictory. If you have done, let's say, 5 videos on Pictory, Pictory would learn what your preferences are, what videos of yours have done great, and it'll give you recommendations. It'll make your experience very personalized so that your videos start getting better and better the more you use the platform in order to create more video content.